What's up, nail crew? Today I'm going to show everyone how to do a really simple summer mani using Seize the Moment from Double Trouble Dips. This is my first time using Double Trouble Dips, and this really fun color that I picked out that I got in my first order from them is not only a thermal, a UV, but it's also a glow, and it glows bright blue. So you get everything with this one dip, which I thought made it super fun to use for an easy summer mani. So if you're like pressed for time or something and you have a color that's a thermal, a UV, and a glow, you're basically getting 3 colors in one. Plus it has these gorgeous flakes, and it really reminded me of the ocean. So I thought that I could add some really fun little ocean stickers. I grabbed some seashells that I got from an order from AliExpress. I love getting so much of their stuff, like little nail stickers, decals, anything, because even though I have to wait, you wait like a month and a half, sometimes 2 months to get your order, they have such great prices on little stickers and stuff. And for somebody who likes to have lots of choices like I do, it's perfect. So I started applying this dip, and I noticed right away it was super easy to apply. It went on beautifully, it laid beautifully, the flakes laid really nicely. And to me, those are all things that say it's a high quality dip. And after, I know I've said this in other videos and the tutorials I've done and reviews, that I can, after trying 45 dip companies now, I think this one will make it 46. I can tell right away when I'm applying a dip powder if it's going to be a high quality or low quality, and these are definitely really high quality dip powder. Now let's chat flake dips. Whether you're using a dip with a little bit of flakes or a dip with a lot of flakes, I still apply them the same way. So I always pour my flake dips into a cupcake liner, usually a mini cupcake liner. I pour it in, and then right before I go to lay my nail flat in, well, first obviously I apply my dip liquid over my entire nail. Then I shake the cupcake liner that has the flake dip in it, and the flakes kind of come to the top. Then I gently lay my nail onto those flakes and on into the dip. And I've noticed applying my flake dips that way allows me to get many more of the flakes up at the top and on my nail where I want them to be. So once I do that, then you just wait for it to dry and brush it off like you normally do. And if they're thicker flakes, you just need to press them down a little bit. This one I barely needed to. So then you saw me apply those super easy stickers where all I did was I took a pair of nail tweezers, peeled off the sticker, and placed them right down on my nails. And then I'm going to encapsulate all of my nails with clear dip, and I like to use Original Glass Clear from OG Dip Powder. That's my absolute favorite, like ride or die clear, because it's crystal clear. So the stickers that I bought were actually 3D stickers, but I didn't feel like leaving them out and more on the 3D. I just really wanted to encapsulate them. I don't know why. I felt like maybe it would give them more of an ocean look than just having them be 3D and kind of popping out. Or maybe these are 5D. I can't remember. But I decided I was just going to encapsulate them so that they could kind of look more like they were in the dip versus on top of the dip. So when you want to encapsulate a sticker, even if it's a 3D one like this, you still go through and apply a nice 2 layers of clear. And when you're doing these 3D stickers, because they're thicker, and then you'd still go and activate like you normally would. Now look at that. You saw a little bit after I activated, you could see the thermal starting to work at the very tips of my nails. And I bet if my nails were a little bit longer, this is when I still had them short, you would have seen a lot more of the thermal popping through. Now I filed and buffed and shaped off camera, so you can just see me going through and using my dip liquids to top coat. And this was another part of the reason why I decided to use clear and encapsulate them, because I just really wanted to use dip liquid. Sometimes I like to use gel on top. Who else loves when they are at their end of their mani and they're top coating and they get to see how their nails are coming through? I mean, I do. Not that I can see anybody raise their hand. And drop a comment below to tell me what your favorite thing is about doing your nails at home. And check out this next video on easy nail art. Thanks for joining me today, nail crew.